All right, let's go through a couple more examples of how to find the vertical and horizontal asymptotes. All right, so for the vertical asymptote, what was the key message in the lecture? And that was to take the denominator and set it equal to 0 and solve for x. All right, so I'm going to go through this. All right, we add 1 to both sides, divide by 3. Now, how do I get rid of an x squared? All right, well, I do have to square root both sides. All right, so I'm going to square root both sides. But bear in mind, when I square root the right side, I have to use my plus or minus. So I'm getting x equals 1 over the square root of 3 and negative 1 over the square root of 3. All right, and how did I just write a 1 and not a square root of 1? Well, the square root of 1 is just 1. All right, so we have two vertical asymptotes for this function. All right, and what about the horizontal asymptote? All right, so I'm going to draw a line here, try to keep it all on the same slide. All right, for the horizontal asymptote, we have to ask ourselves, what is the power ratio? All right, so I look at the highest powers and I have a 9x squared in the numerator, and I also have an x squared in the denominator. All right, and so we have same degree, all right, which means my horizontal asymptote is going to be a ratio of the leading coefficients. I have a 9 in front of x squared, and I have a 3 in front of x squared in the denominator. All right, and so we get a horizontal asymptote of y equals 3.